Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Cloudflare DNS IPv6 on your Windows 11. So first of all, you need to just simply open your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Over here, simply just right click on the taskbar and click on the option of taskbar settings. When you are here inside the settings of your Windows 11 PC or laptop, you need to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of network and internet. Now over here you need to simply just choose the connection that you are currently using, such as the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet. After doing this, you just have to simply try to find the DNS server assignment, and when you are able to find the option, you just have to simply click on the option of edit right next to it. Now when you click on the option of edit, you need to change the settings from automatic DHCP to manual, and then simply turn on the IPv6 option. Now for the preferred DNS field, you can just simply enter these servers, so it is this particular server, or you can also enter the alternative DNS. For that, you can just simply enter this particular value. So these are the Cloudflare's standard IPv6 DNS resolvers addresses. So you can also enable the DNS over HTTPS in the Windows 11 if you want your DNS queries encrypted. So Windows provides options for the automatic or the manual DNS over the HTTPS configuration. So once everything is done, simply click on the option of save in order to save these changes, and that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.